Alright, in this video I'm going to give a brief overview of the couple of resources or Google Apps that I gave a review on for the apps for teaching and learning. So I'm going to start with YouTube. So if you come over here to the apps, they're all linked in here. So if we go to YouTube, um, first of all, YouTube lets you search between millions of videos. Like there's videos about pretty much everything. It's got these useful uh, subtopics up here that you can choose from. Um, you can go down here for a bunch of different options. You could subscribe to different channels and such. And then mainly you can search different videos. And a bunch of these are from my brother, so disregard those stuff. But you can search educational videos and just fun videos, interesting videos, anything you want. A lot of these videos are good and able to be used for teaching, like this one. I actually made my Edpuzzle off of this one right here. But you can find a whole bunch of different educational videos that you can use in teaching, and YouTube's pretty easy to use. You can't really do any assessment directly through YouTube, but like I did with the Edpuzzle, you can make one of those and add questions in. You can do a whole bunch of things with the videos that you can find on YouTube. So then the second app we'll go to, it's the next one here. I'll just go to Google Drive. That's the another one I reviewed. So in Google Drive, you can find all your works organized into different things. Like you got slideshows here. Um, you can go here and look at your docs, your Google Sheets you create, your Google Slides, your Google Forms, and even more. Look at all that stuff. Um, you can look at your stuff that you've created. You can go over here and find things that were shared with you. Um, just a whole bunch of different things that you can look at. And it keeps them all saved in the cloud, so you'll never lose your work. Obviously, like it has storage, but you can buy more storage. Looks like I'm not even close to using all that storage. Um, you can upload things from your computer into Google Drive. It's super helpful. You can upload videos. You can do a whole bunch of things, and this just helps it keep you organized, which would be huge for teaching, as you can create like rubrics or instructions or anything through here, and then share them with your students, or your students can share homework with you through Google Drive, and you can keep it there so you can assess it and things like that. Super organizational app that will be super helpful in teaching. So then finally, the last app I'll look at is Google Classroom. I reviewed it in the app review because I actually didn't know we had to make two videos, but it's the third app that I reviewed for the post. So I mean, I went through it in that other video, and you can look at it, but I won't go too much in depth because I already talked about it. But you got your stream here where you can post different things, your classwork where you can assign different things, create different assignments and such. You can see the people in your class. That's unfortunate, I don't have any students. One day I will. And then grades, you can see students' grades, grade people, give feedback and stuff, so it's super helpful.